Hello kids, welcome back to online class. My name is Renuka Devi. I am from Mappa Public School. I am handling social studies for grade 4. So students, in last class we learned about the coastal plains and islands. So what do you mean by islands? Island is a piece of land that is surrounded by water. The coastal plains are divided in two parts. One is western coastal plain and other is eastern coastal plain. Western coastal plain is in between of Western Ghats and Arabian Sea. Western coastal plain is divided in three parts. One is Gujarat coast, one is Malabar coast and one is Konkan coast. Gujarat coast starts from Gujarat to Mumbai, Konkan coast from Mumbai to Goa and Malabar coast from Goa to Kerala. Which are the states that come under the western coastal plain? Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka and Kerala. And moving on to eastern coastal plain. Eastern coastal plain lies in between Eastern Ghats and Bay of Bengal. It starts from West Bengal and it is divided into two parts. Which are those two parts? Can you all remember it? The two parts are Northern Sarkas and Coromandel coast. The states that come under eastern coastal plain are West Bengal, Puducherry, Odisha, Tamil Nadu. Both the coast come and meet in the southern tip of Kanyakumari. So students, today we will learn the life in the coastal plain and islands. Life in the western coastal plain. Life in the western coastal plain. First we will study about the state Gujarat. Gujarat lies in the northwest of India. Its capital is Gandhinagar. The capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. Official language of Gujarat is Gujarati. Which is the official language of Gujarat? Gujarati. Women wear sari and lehenga. You can see here lehenga. This is a Gujarati traditional dress. This is a traditional dress of Gujarati. Men wear angarkas and colorful turban. Here you can see the boy who has worn a dark turban and angaraka. This is called angaraka. Gandhiji's Sabarmati Ashram lies in the city of Ahmedabad. Here is a Sabarmati Ashram of Gandhiji. Where it is? In Ahmedabad. Where it is? It is in Ahmedabad. Trading and farming are the main occupation of people here. Trading and farming are the main occupation of the people living in Gujarat. Which are the two main occupation of the people living in Gujarat? Trading and farming. jawar, bajra are the main crops. Gujarat has several well-developed industries. The khadi and handloom industry is also well developed. Here you can see khadi and handloom industries. Dairy farming is an important industry. Dairy farming is an important industry in Gujarat. And you all know students, that the famous Amul, you can see here the famous Amul milk products come from Anand in Gujarat. Here you can see, you might have eat that Amul milk, curd, butter, yes, milk powder, right students? So that product is produced in at Gujarat. Where it is produced? It is produced at Gujarat. Next state will move. The next state is Goa. To the south of the Maharashtra is the small and beautiful state of Goa. And you all know Goa is the smallest state of India. Goa is one of the smallest state of India, and the capital of Goa is Panaji. The capital of Goa is Panaji. Goa is rich in iron ore and mining is important industry in this state. Here you can see this picture. This picture is of mining, and this is the city of Goa. This is the city Goa. Christmas is the main festival of the state. Here you can see the children, they are enjoying the Christmas. Children here are enjoying Christmas, and here you can see Santa Claus, Christmas tree. Yes, and here is a church. Basilica Church of Bom Jesus in Panaji is one of the oldest church in India. It contains the body of the Saint Francis. Here in this church, you can find the body of whose body you can find Saint Francis. Next, moving on to next state is Karnataka. As we go along the coast, we come to Karnataka. The capital of Karnataka is Bangalore. In this picture, you can see Vidhan Saudha, that is in Bangalore. The official language of Karnataka is Kannada, and the traditional dress is sari and dhoti. Mangaluru is an important seaport of Karnataka. This is the seaport of Mangaluru. And even the fishing is also a main occupation of the people living in Mangaluru. Next state of the western coastal plain is Kerala. In the extreme south of the western coastal plain is the beautiful state of Kerala. The capital of Kerala is Tiruvananthapuram. Which is the capital? Tiruvananthapuram. Earlier it was known as Trivandrum. The official language of Kerala is Malayalam. The men wear mundus and shirt. Women wear sari. In this picture you can see the man has wore mundu. This is called as mundu. Men wear mundus and shirts. Women wear sari. Onam is an important festival of Kerala. Here you can see here. Onam is an important festival of Kerala. In this picture you can see Kochi is an important seaport of Kerala. You can see here the Kochi port, which is the important port of Kerala. Next, moving to next slide. Kerala produces large quantity of spices. For example, you can see here the different type of spices in this picture. Cashews, coffee and rubber also it produces. Almost the entire Kerala know how to read and write. Almost the entire Kerala know how to read and write. Kerala has number of beautiful beaches. The most famous beach in is Kollam Beach. Here you can see in this picture the most important beach is Kollam Beach, and even it is also known as rice bowl. Next, moving on to the life in the eastern coastal plain. We'll move to next, that is life in the eastern coastal plain. First is Odisha. The capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. The capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. Puri and Cuttack are other two important cities. Oriya is the official language. Which is the official language of Odisha? Oriya. The delta formed by Mahanadi river is very fertile. The delta formed by Mahanadi river is very fertile. Rice is the main crops grown here. Rice is the main crops grown here. Handloom saris of Odisha. Here you can see in this picture handlooms saris of Odisha. Jewelries, decorative items made of silver are very popular in Odisha. Mining is an important industry. In this picture you can see mining. Mining is an important industry in Odisha. Lots of people turn up to see the Rath Yatra of Puri, the temple of Bhubaneswar, Puri, Konark Sun Temple, and the Chilka Lake with its bird. Here is Chilka Lake, lake and the birds. Birds are the other tourist attraction of Odisha. Lots of people turn up to see the Yatra of Puri. Odissi is the popular dance form. This is the picture of Odissi. This is a type of dance. Andhra Pradesh and Visakhapatnam, a city of coast, is the major port and shipbuilding center. Andhra Pradesh and Visakhapatnam, a city of coast, is a major port and shipbuilding center. It has an oil refinery, an iron and steel plant. You can see here oil refineries in India. We'll move to next slide. So next slide and next state that we are studying is Tamil Nadu. The capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. It lies on the Coromandel coast. It is an important port. The Marina Beach in the city is the largest beach in India. Which is the largest beach in India? Marina Beach. The delta formed by the Kaveri river is very fertile. It is called as rice bowl. You can see here it is called as rice bowl. Kanyakumari in Tamil Nadu is the southernmost tip of the Indian mainland. Kanyakumari in Tamil Nadu is the southernmost tip of the Indian mainland. The Vivekanand Rock Memorial has been built on a small island near the coast called Vivekanand Rock. You can see in this picture, it is called as Vivekanand Rock. The Vivekanand Rock Memorial has been built on the small island. It is built on small island near the coast called as Vivekanand Rock. So students, today we have completed lesson number 6. So read a textbook and PDF that we have sent. Thank you. Have a nice day.